You don't lack ambition, you lack tolerance for discomfort. Modern life has trained you to prefer easy entertainment, easy validation, easy dopamine. The problem is not pleasure, the problem is frequency. When reward becomes constant, effort begins to feel unnatural. For most of human history, effort preceded reward. Now reward often precedes effort. Scroll, swipe, click, consume, and your nervous system adapts. Effort starts to feel heavy. Silence feels boring. Progress feels slow. Because your baseline has shifted. Psychologists call this reward prediction error. The brain learns to expect stimulation. When it doesn't receive it, it interprets normal effort as loss. This is why reading feels harder. Why deep work feels exhausting. Why you quit faster than you used to. Not because you are weaker, but because your brain has recalibrated around ease. Addiction is not always chemical. Sometimes it's behavioral. Small, repeated exposure to low-effort reward reconditions motivation. Over time, the brain associates meaning with intensity instead of depth. So anything gradual feels empty. But real growth is rarely intense. It is repetitive, quiet, unremarkable. And that is exactly why it now feels intolerable. You are not addicted to pleasure. You are addicted to easy. And recovery does not require punishment. It requires friction, deliberate resistance, small acts of chosen difficulty. Because when you retrain your tolerance for effort, clarity returns, depth returns, and discipline stops feeling impossible.